Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see my aunt make paratha, which is fried roti with stuffed with fenugreek and cilantro, and she fries it in butter that comes from our cows on our farm. This is our veggie garden where we plant garlic, mustard, cilantro. What you see right now is mustard plants. They're at their peak. And today my cousin has decided to help in, and he's pounding cilantro and fenugreek, fresh, plants. And that's home churned butter from cow's milk that comes every morning. We go get it from the land where we keep our cows, not in a barn, but like in Pakistan and Punjab. We don't necessarily have barns. We have what you call data, which means it's usually a red brick building, and in winter the animals go in there, but for the rest of the year the animals are usually outside grazing or tied outside in the sunlight. And my aunt is an expert at making parathas and roti. What you see behind her on the gas stove, which she's using for this time around, is a cast iron skillet. It's called a tawa, and tawa is a staple in every single household in Pakistan. And you'll also find dough always kneaded and sitting around for rotis to be made. So the thing with pounding and using a mortar and a pestle, it's very different from a grinder. In traditional cooking, we don't use grinder because grinder kind of shatters the plant, shatters everything, the cells and whatnot. In pounding, it's more like you're marrying two things together. You're, sort of like blending one into the other. So it's a union as opposed to a destruction, for lack of better words. So she took the dough, she made two small, what is the word I'm looking for? Something round discs with it. And she's such an expert, she doesn't need a rolling pin. So watch her do it. You can tell from her hands that she's a master at this. And those hands have produced amazing, amazing foods. And they also work on the farm. So she's putting the cilantro and the fenugreek inside one of the pieces of rolled bread. This is traditional Pakistani Punjabi cooking. Simple, rustic, straight from the goodies of Mother Earth. Isn't that amazing? I'm just in awe watching her make the roti like that, the paratha like that. It's circular, it's got filling, and she's such an expert. She's managed to get it to this size, and that's fresh butter going on the tawa, the iron skillet that's in every Pakistani household, because we're roti, chapati, naan, and paratha eating people. There you go. And she's not even using any tongs or anything to turn it. She's just amazing. This is so simple yet so wholesome. The wheat is stone ground from our farm. And the butter is, you saw the butter, it's like churned butter from fresh milk that we go get every morning. And from our herb garden, that's fenugreek and cilantro. when you use that kind of butter and these kind of ingredients, the aroma and the taste is just so phenomenal. That's all you need. That's a meal. It's so flavorful. It's so wholesome. And that is my paratha. This is in Urdu, in Pakistan, you would call it Methi Dhania Paratha, right? Methi is fenugreek, Dhania is cilantro, and look at that butter. Oh, it's just, it was fried in butter, then that's extra butter on top of it. And that is my treat. I let her do these expert things, even though I have like decades of cooking experience. This is a little above me, beyond me. And that's Pakistani Chai. It's black tea with whole milk in it, and that goes so well with this paratha, fried roti. My cousin is having a well-earned paratha of his own. Thank you for watching. Look at that. Just look at that. Like the green herbs still have their aroma in it. And yeah. Thank you for watching my channel, guys. Really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Guys, in addition to traditional and regular cooking videos, I also do videos on ancient Buddhist sites that are in Pakistan. We have an amazing history, and I have a couple of videos on my channel. The most recent one was on Taxila Museum with monasteries that are about 2,300 years old, and Buddhist statues and history going back, Aramaic scriptures and Pali scriptures. So really appreciate it if you look it up, and do subscribe, do like. I do all this traveling and these video making on my own, so your support really matters a lot. Thank you so much.